What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in. So I have to apologize. This video is a few weeks old. I've been traveling and haven't had a chance to edit the last few videos, but I did want to share with you all my experience of getting my hair professionally straightened. So if you would like to see my experience, then please keep watching. Good morning. So today I am getting my hair professionally straightened. I'm both excited and I'm nervous because I have not gotten my hair professionally straightened in like 2 years. And the last time that I did get it professionally straightened, I had some heat damage. So that is why usually if I do, I'll just do it myself. I'm nervous about that, but I was referred to her by one of my coworkers at work, and she raves about her, and I read her reviews, and she got really good reviews. So also I have not straightened my hair since September, which is why I'm getting it straightened, because I need my hair trimmed. I'm very proud of myself for not straightening my hair. So that was September. It is now almost May, so it's been almost 8 months. I have not put in a flat iron, no blow dryer or anything. So yeah, so right now I have my hair in like some bantu knots. So I wore a ponytail all week, and I don't like sleeping with gel in my hair, so I just, sprayed some water over it, divided into 4 sections, put some almond oil, detangled it, and put it in these little bantu knots. So hopefully it'll be real easy for her to get started. And yeah, let's see. I really like it. I'm going to put my bonnet on real quick because it is snowing outside. Y'all, I find it very sad that it is almost May and we got a winter storm advisory. So it is like rain / snow outside. Okay, so it's snow this weekend. It was hot last weekend for Easter. The weekend before that, it snowed. So I had to walk out like this because if a drop touches my hair, it's over with. And I paid my hard-earned little coins to get my hair done, and I'm gonna need this style to last. But overall, I really enjoyed getting my hair done by Tawanda. She's very knowledgeable about hair, and I really expressed my concern with heat, and she just did a really good job, you know, and what's the word, educating me on some things, and I just really enjoyed getting my hair done here. So I will link her information down in the description box if you are interested in getting your hair styled by her. I really enjoyed my results. But that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.